रानी मुखर्जी के इस साल और इस फिल्म के साथ में 30 साल पूरे हो गए हैं इंडस्ट्री में एंड उनका करियर जो है उसने इतने सारे नॉर्म्स को तोड़ा है, इतनी बार चैलेंज किया है. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट रानी मुखर्जी कंप्लीटिंग 30 years in the industry?
I'm very glad. I celebrate her. You know, I was telling somebody else also that it's so lovely to see the entire fraternity come forward and celebrate that she has, you know, finished her 30th year in the industry. And I think this is another piece that I sort of like bring back to the story, is that women in any field, you know, they face this challenge of rising up to the top, you know, and it's an uphill task for anyone, you know, and for women particularly so, because we are handling so many things at the same time, and we are dealing with patriarchy and, you know, masculine structures at workspaces and so on and so forth. So when you see a woman rise up, there is a recognition, no? So in Shivani Shivaji Roy, when she looks at Amma, there has to be a recognition that she's also fighting the same fight, different sides of the line.
That's true.
But we are fighting the same fight, and you know, there has to be a recognition कि किसी को भी वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए, especially a woman, it can't have been easy. And for that, I'm really appreciative of the fact that she's completed 30 years, and I'm part of that journey as well. So it feels really good.
आज भी कहते हैं कि औरत ही औरत की
कौन
दुश्मन
कहता है? पकड़ के लेके आओ मेरे सामने.
अभी प्रोटैगनिस्ट एंटैगनिस्ट औरत और औरत हमने फिल्म में भी देखा.
हाँ, किसको चोर पुलिस खेलना अच्छा नहीं लगता बताओ?
बचपन से खेलते हैं.
हाँ, तो did you not play it? I played. I broke my knee and I'll show you scars that are there even today. So we all played those games, no? Of being the antagonist, being the protagonist, है ना? But at some point you get trained out of it कि ये चीज़ें लड़कों के लिए है या लड़कियों के लिए है, कि इस किस्म के लोगों के लिए है, इस किस्म के लोगों के लिए नहीं है ना? तो at some point you have to understand that we train it out of our children and our communities. So to be in a film where, you know, again हम लोग वही खेल रहे हैं ना. It's a cat and mouse game of चोर
पर नॉर्म्स तोड़ रहे हैं आप.
हाँ,
कि पुलिस आदमी नहीं होना चाहिए, या इतना बड़ा चोर या इतना बड़ा क्रिमिनल आदमी हो सकता है.
वो नॉर्म्स हम तोड़ रहे हैं, and we are breaking them really interestingly. मुझे जो टेम्पलेट दिया गया था वो बैटमैन और जोकर का था.
Wow.
So can you imagine? I'm absolutely thrilled at that idea, and I held on to it. To date, I only talk about it like that.
जब आपने शुरू ही किया था अपने करियर के, उस समय की मलिका को कोई एडवाइस आज दे सकती होती तो क्या एडवाइस होती?
I'd say, you've got this, girl. You've got this.
You've got this.
Yeah. And this is what we should tell our young ones as well. Ki, you know, you've got this. I want to actually expand on it a little bit. You know, what happens is especially when you come to in industry that is about money and it's about power and things like that, you get told a lot कि because it is a woman-led film, इसका budget कम है, इसमें औरतें हैं इसलिए ये पिक्चर चलेगी नहीं. तो ये चीज़ें हमें मतलब लगातार ये चीज़ें हमें सुनने को मिलती हैं, you know. So to remember that those are actually you're taking away the opportunity for someone to fail and learn and grow, you know. So the fear of failure is far more for a person who is a woman and not for a person who, I mean, इतने सारे फ्लॉप होते हैं यार बड़े स्टार्स के, पैसे डालना तो हम बंद नहीं कर देते. But that means you have the privilege of failing and learning, and somebody else doesn't, and that's not fair, no. So those kinds of things I think about for the future generation. हमने जो अपना जो करना था हमने किया, और हमें जैसी दुनिया बनानी थी वो हमने किया है, and we have failed in places, we have succeeded in some places, but there is a place now for us to sort of set the standards, or at least open minds and say कि आप जाके set your boundaries and say, no, I'm not taking that nonsense anymore.
Absolutely. Set your boundaries, and अगर किसी और ने boundary बना करके रखी है तो also उसको लांग करके आगे जाइए. That is exactly what our Superwomania has done with the movie Mardani 3. Malika, thank you so much for being a Superwomania और the Superwomania show पर आने के लिए भी दिल से thank you so much.
Thank you. I really believe every woman is a Superwomania.
Absolutely.
So, thank you.
For somebody who's been an artist forever and who's seen every sort of platform, थिएटर हो या ओटीटी हो या मूवीज हो या हर जगह या बर्थडे पार्टी हो,
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली।
सक्सेस के मायने कैसे बदले हैं आपके लिए?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, क्योंकि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स भी ये मुझसे पूछते हैं, मेरे दोस्त मुझसे पूछते हैं कि कब फेमस होगी। तो ये सारी चीज़ें, एंड they've been the ones who sit right in front and watch all my plays,
वाओ।
and watch all my work. So they are like, तुम शाहरुख खान के बगल में कब बैठोगी तब तुम फेमस होगी। तो things like that. So I grew up like that. So the thing is that the parameters of fame and success are different for different people. मेरे भी बदले हैं बहुत सारे तरीके से. I'm actually feeling very very successful at this moment.
Oh my God,
from
of course.
the amount of love I've got. But the work is no different. The amount of work I've put in the past for plays that nobody knows about is the same as I have put into this one as well.
Yeah.
For me, I also love experiencing my students going up on stage and flying as actors. Nothing gives me more pride, and I can start crying right now when I talk about that. So the thing is that there are different shapes of success, and the way we experience it. So all of it is good. This is fantastic. I mean, how can I deny that?